Okay, in this video, it's spinning currently. I had it powered up with the thick gauge coil, and then I have all the thin gauge wire in triangulation so it gets more torque and power out like that. That's the way it should be. But I'm just going to show you how much high voltage these coils put out. So I'm going to get it spin up a little bit more. I have it going through a MOSFET. I don't want to go too much faster. I don't want to mess anything up. But here's a fluorescent bulb. It's quite a bit of voltage coming out of there for that big of an arc. Alright, that's as fast as I think it might actually go. You can hear that it does seem like it does draw from the motor, actually. Which would make sense. But come to think, like there's no contact. Only the ionization of the air is the conductor that's making the contact load. I don't know. I think it's dragging, pulling from it. Yeah, let's not do that. What if it's insulated? Even if it's insulated, it still works. But yeah. Not really sure how much voltage this is putting out, but it's got to be quite a bit, because that's a big arc. It's full speed. No, let's not use my hand. Oh, wow, look at that. Yeah, I think it's pulling power from the coils. It seems like it anyway. You can definitely smell the ozone coming off of it. So much voltage. But like I was saying, that's why this motor is going to be an electrostatic motor more than a traditional motor. Just because the resistance and the voltage output are so substantial. Like this is probably, when it's at full RPM, when it was just there, it's probably, I don't know, maybe 20,000 volts, maybe, or more. Probably more than that. It's a lot. Because that was a big arc. It was like an inch long. And then I'm going to attempt to use this MOSFET to drive the high voltage, but I have a feeling it's just going to burn it out because it's, even though it doesn't use really any current, I think the voltage, even though if it's, I don't know, say if, I don't think this is a 1,000 volt MOSFET, but even if it was, I think it'll still, it'll burn out if it's over 1,000 volts, even though there's no current. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm gonna try it and see what happens. So we'll see. That'll be probably in my next video, I guess, maybe. But I just wanted to show you how high a voltage this thing fucking puts out. Freaking crazy. Alright, see you later.